In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello card in just 5 minutes. Deleting a card in Trello isn't as straightforward as you might expect because there are a few steps involved, but don't worry, by the end of this video you'll be all set to clear up your Trello boards efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trello homepage. You can do this by entering Trello's website address into your browser's address bar. Once on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Trello account. To do this, click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials when prompted and you're all set. Logging in allows you to access your workspaces, boards and cards. Once you're logged in, head over to your Trello workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, ensure you select the one containing the board you're planning to manage. In your workspace, find and click on the board where the card you want to delete is located. For those unfamiliar with Trello's layout, your boards are typically represented by rectangles listing the title of each board. After clicking into your board, look for the card you wish to delete. You'll need to locate the 3-dot icon, which is an action menu typically found on the right hand side of the card. This icon might be easy to miss, so keep your eyes peeled as you hover over each card. Clicking this icon will open a menu of options. Next, select the option labelled Archive Items. Archiving is Trello's way of removing a card from view without permanently deleting it. While your card is in this archived state, you can always retrieve it if needed. After archiving the card, the next step is to switch your view to manage the cards more efficiently. To do this, go back to the menu and hit Switch to Cards. Finally, you're at the stage where you can delete the card. Once you've switched to the card view, look for the delete option and click it. A prompt will typically appear asking you to confirm the action because once a card is deleted, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you're absolutely certain before confirming the deletion. And voila, your Trello card is now deleted. Remember that the process involves first archiving the card and then deleting it from the archived state. This two-step approach allows Trello users to safeguard against accidental deletions. We hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel more confident in managing your Trello boards. If you found this video useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your productivity tools. Thanks for watching.